Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making something super fun and tasty tom chicken. It's crispy outside, cheesy and juicy inside, and trust me, you're gonna love it. So let's get started. First, take 4 chicken leg pieces in a bowl, add half teaspoon of red chili powder, 3/4 teaspoon of peri peri masala, half teaspoon of garam masala, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil. Mix everything well so that the chicken gets nicely coated. Now heat some oil in a pan and shallow fry the chicken on all the sides. Then add some water, add salt to taste, cover it and let it cook completely. Once done, take the chicken out and let it cool. Now I am going to shred these chicken pieces. Don't throw the bones away. We'll be using them later. Chop the shredded chicken into smaller pieces. And put them in a bowl. To this, add 2 mashed potatoes, 2 tablespoons of flour, salt to taste, half teaspoon of red chili powder and half teaspoon peri peri masala. Mix everything well. Make sure that the potatoes are not too soft so that the mixture holds its shape properly. Now, take a small portion of mixture and wrap it around the bone, forming a leg piece shape. Place a cheese slice above it and coat it again with more mixture. Dip it into the beaten egg and coat it with the breadcrumbs. Fry them in the hot oil until they turn golden brown and crispy. And there you have it, crispy cheesy tom chicken. Just look at the crunch. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Try it out and let me know in the comments how it turned out. See you in next video. Bye.